Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your week one lecture video. So, this week for the lecture video, I'm going to talk a little bit about Drive and the syllabus and Google Drive exercise. There seems to be some struggles with this activity, and I want to see if this lecture video can sort of smooth out the process for everyone. All right. The place to begin is the Google Drive instructions in the module. Right here is the module. Just get the Google Drive instructions. You have to complete the setup of the course folder into your Drive account first before you do the exercise. Otherwise, it's just probably not going to work out for you. So what I would do is follow the tutorial here. I'm not going to replay the video tutorial. It's really straightforward. So remember now, whenever section you're in, like I'm using section 318 as the example here, I have two courses at Moraine Valley this semester, 318 and 319, both both 102 courses. So this course folder will take you to your specific course folder. In that course folder is where we're going to accumulate and work on our projects, our peer reviews. You'll upload assignments and then submit the links to to Canvas. So for grading, so it's really straightforward. So all you have to do is you click on the link, right click, right? Click to add shortcut to my drive, and what it's going to do is it's going to look for your particular drive, whatever it may be. I'm not logged in to any other drive. It's just going to give me my Moraine Valley. But one thing I just want to point out to everybody, I have multiple Google Drive accounts, not only for my video production. I also have them for COD, where I teach Psychology to Page, my personal. In fact, I even demonstrated how to upload the shortcut to your drive using my personal drive. So it's pretty straightforward. So this is what the course folder is going to look like. Here is the folder for the syllabus and Google Drive activity. If I were to click on that, here are the students who have uploaded and dropped stuff into the into the folder, into our Google Drive. Now remember, to all these students, I don't know if they did or not, but you have to upload your link to your document to Canvas for grading. If there's no submission, there's no grade. It's as simple as that. It's really kind of straightforward. So here we go. So here's a copy of the syllabus. This is what I did to demonstrate. Let me just remove this so I can demonstrate this to everybody. Remove. I'm going to get rid of that because that was me. So when you get into the course folder here and you want to work on a document, make a copy. You just open this up. It's real simple. Just open up the copy. This is a copy. This is the main copy. Click on File. Click on Make a Copy. Click OK. It's going to be in the same folder. All right. So it'll take a little minute here while it copies out. All right, so now we're in a copy of COM 102 syllabus 318. Now, all you're going to have to do is rename it. You made a copy. I'll use Smith again, underscore. So now I have my copy. I am John Smith, let's say. And so now I can write in this. I can highlight. I can annotate. The purpose the purpose behind this activity is for you to do two things. Get familiar with Drive and get that set up because we're going to need it and require it during the course of the semester. You'll be able to understand how some of the functions work. It's really straightforward technology. But more so than that, it's the opportunity really for you to interact with the syllabus, for you to read the syllabus. I don't want to go through a 20-minute lecture on a video about the syllabus. The syllabus is actually very important to you. It is how you're going to be graded. It's going to be your coursework, how I assess it, my grading philosophy. All of these elements are in the syllabus. Right here, textbook, Drive account, required. All right, so I have all of the information here. Information about the theme and what we're going to try to work on, my grading policy, which you should be familiar with. Look at the grading philosophy and the not yet grading policy. Submission guidelines for your coursework is really important because what happens is that you have to understand how to format this. And here I say directly that you not only have to have items in the course folder, but you have to make a submission to Canvas. So can't tell you how many times I do have students who email me and say, well, it's in the folder. I didn't know I had to submit it to Canvas. It says it right here in the syllabus. So this is the reason why I have everybody completing this activity. Here's your assignments, the weight of these assignments, what are majors, what are not so much the major assignments. Here are the social practices and participation, which you will turn around and be graded on. My late work policy, discussion board posts, all of these are important policies for you to read and ask questions on. If you annotate this and you have a question or you're unclear, I go through your document you've uploaded to Canvas that you have in a folder, and I will reply to your comments. So if I say, please review your document for replies, you should go back in there and see what I have to say about your comments. That way it clarifies everything and you know where you stand as far as your questions in the syllabus in this course. I know that you know this, that you are aware of the policies and procedures. So I'm a very straightforward instructor. I'm going to be really honest. My instructions are my instructions, and I'm going to grade you based upon my instructions. I'm asking you for X. If you give me X, then you're fine. I'm asking you for X and you give me Y, then there's going to be a problem. It's as simple as that. Look at the instructions, read them with purpose, and engage and produce exactly what I'm asking for, and you will do fine in this course. So now this is let's say I'm John Smith and I want to submit this. All you have to do is come right up to the URL bar right here. Right click, hit copy. That's your URL. If it's in the course folder, you're fine. All you have to do is take that and go to Canvas, open up the assignment, open up the text box, paste that link into that text box, click submit, and then I will pick that link up in Canvas. It's a very straightforward activity here. So the idea, let me see if I can get to my folder. Let's see here, here's my folder, here's Smith. So what happens is then in this folder is you're going to take your copy and you're just going to drop it right in here. Okay, that's all you have to do. Simple as that. Now, let me get to my Moraine drive. Here is 319. 319 is my other section. I don't know what's happening, people, in 319. I've uploaded 4 copies of the syllabus here. So obviously, people are not making a copy. They are not renaming and working in it. They're just stealing a copy that other people don't have access to. So the idea here is you want to be able to make sure it's in the folder here. You want to grab the link and submit that link right up here to Canvas. And yes, look at this. There's a comment, okay? I want to make sure that everybody is aware that I do comment on these. But, the object behind this activity is for you to annotate. So if you just upload a copy and you don't do anything to the copy of the syllabus, if you do not annotate it, then I'm not going to give you any points. It's as simple as that. I'm asking you to highlight and annotate. Highlighting alone is not annotating. There has to be some interaction there. So once again, please read the instructions clearly, upload your document to the appropriate course folder and the assignment folder. If you have access to 318, make sure it's in our shared folder, then upload the link. Kind of straightforward activity here. So everybody give it a try over the course of the next few days. When this is particularly due, I think it's probably due on Friday. I'll allow a little bit of retry on this one, but I'm not going to spend the rest of the semester on the basic exercise here. So you're going to want to see that this gets taken care of, because once this closes out, I don't reopen up this assignment at all. All right. Any questions? Send me an email. Good luck. Stay safe out there.